Is your car remote not working? Maybe it needs a new battery. Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the battery in a car remote. This video is for car remotes that do not have visible screws. Turn the remote on its side and look for a push button to release the physical key. Push this button while pulling on this tab. Beside the keyhole, you would be able to see a small slot where you could actually push the tip of the key in. Insert the tip of the key and twist the key gently. Take the side of the remote with the circuit board on, turn it over and tap so that the board comes off. Just identify the battery. This one makes use of CR1632. Just purchase the same battery and replace that. So to remove the battery, we're just going to use a precision screwdriver to pop out the battery. Take your new battery and take it out of the packaging. Just push in the new battery into the battery slot. Once the battery is in place, reassemble the parts of the remote. That's it. You have a new battery installed in your remote. Now it's working. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.